Imagine being able to earn simply by reading on the internet. I'll show and teach you how to make $200 to $1,000 online by reading words in this video. To begin with, today's methods are absolutely free and effective all over the world. Second, you will learn everything you need to know to begin the procedure, containing all important information as well as a step-by-step technique so that you can begin earning immediately after seeing this video. You'll also see how much money you can make and how easy it is, and you'll be sad if you close this video without taking advantage of this opportunity. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Now, before I show you the step-by-step technique, take a look at this because it will show you how much money you can make simply by reading. I'm quite excited since this chance will allow you to earn a lot of money simply by reading. I'll show you how it works step by step, and you won't need any prior experience, technical knowledge, or qualifications to do it. Take a look at this. $1,000 for 30 minutes or up to 45 minutes. It's totally insane. Imagine that you can earn $1,000 by just reading 30 minutes to 45 minutes. What impact might it have on your life? What would you do with that money if you had it? In this video, I'll show you how to earn a lot of money online. However, you must watch the entire video because I'll teach you a few techniques on how to join up, get accepted, and make extra money even if you only have a few minutes to spare. This is significant and I want you to pay close attention since a lot of people get it wrong. As a result, they are not earning money at all. And I don't want it to happen to you. So, first and foremost, please go to voices.com. Once you get to this website, you'll see that they've been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu, Cisco, and the Los Angeles Times. This is numerous large brands and corporations that are unquestionably legitimate. And this will prove that this platform will pay you on a daily basis. You will be paid via PayPal, a check, or a direct transfer into your bank account. There are a variety of alternatives in paying you, and it will work in different countries. Basically, these websites will provide me with a variety of tasks from various areas, and I'll show you which ones are the most profitable. So, once you've decided on a project, they'll provide you the script, templates, and book, as well as all of the words that you'll read word for word. You'll have to record your voice and you'll be paid according to the length of the task because these platforms have unlimited work. You can do it for 20 minutes or an hour. There are a lot of platforms where you can do some jobs, but they aren't always reliable. Like you could not be making any money today due to your other job's limitations. However, there are so many categories and occupations to pick from on voices.com that you can choose from a range of possibilities even if you only have 5 minutes a day, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes. By reading, you can accomplish it and earn all of this money right away. Someone asked, what if I don't have a microphone? This job is still within your capabilities because all you need is a simple earphone to get started. You can choose your iPhone or Android phone and you don't have to reveal your face or identity. You can record using your voice by speaking on your phone. They want to hire people like you and me to read all of these words and scraps out loud. And they're only going to use your voice on ebooks, audiobook TV, and videos. We don't even need to write anything now. All we have to do is read all of the books and scripts they provide. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Let's go back to the website where I'll teach you how to sign up, get accepted and verified, and discover the best projects that will pay you the most money. After seeing this video, you'll know how to apply for various jobs and get paid quickly. First and foremost, please hover your mouse over the sign up button in the top right corner of the website. When you click this, you will be presented with two options. find work as a talent, and hire talent for your projects. All you need to do is select Find Work as a Talent. By doing a click, you will be redirected to a page wherein you will be entering your information. Just enter your full name, email, and password right here, and click on this box to agree on their terms of services and privacy policy. After that, have a powerful click on this Continue button right here. You may also sign into this website via Google account or Apple account. If you create a free account, your dashboard will display various jobs such as e-learning, explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games. There are many categories to pick from. So right now, I'll show you which categories have the most jobs and are ideal for beginners and available around the globe. The audiobooks category should be your first choice. Explainer videos in the second category will pay you the second most money, while video games in the third category will pay you the third most money. So, I'm going to focus on audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games because they're the top 3 categories with the most jobs and money for the least amount of time spent. For example, we'll choose audiobooks, which will open a new page with some examples of people earning money online from all around the world by using Voices.com. They're men and women from diverse countries, as you can observe. Take a look at the left portion of the website. Go to language, and as you can observe, they are accepting people around the world. They still want to hire you, so wherever you go, you can get work. You can start reading scripts online on Voices.com and get paid based on your work hours if you want to. If you want to make extra money, we'll choose a job that lasts at least 45 minutes and pay you $1,000 for each project you complete. So, I'll show you some of the available jobs once you log in. As you can see, there are numerous jobs in which you can engage. Let me scroll down because they'll keep updating this page every day so you can keep signing in and seeing which ones you like. As previously said, audiobooks are the most popular category on Voices.com. You'll be provided all of the scripts and templates once you finish reading those books. Now you only have to read them and record them on your phone and pay by hundreds or even thousands of dollars. You may also download their application on Google Play Store or in the App Store. They'll give you a script to follow while filming your phone. You can record your voice and read them out loud if you wish, which is how it manages to make things so simple. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.